Hello guys, it's Amir Hussain. I'm fine and I hope you would be and you are fine. This is 3 times. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed the last episode that was about how we can achieve origin till effect. If you missed that, go and watch that video tutorial on my playlist by searching how we can achieve orange and teal effect. That is very cool. I recommend you to go and watch that video. And in this video, this fun video, I'm going to show you how we can change any color to any color, not accepting white or black, with black and white. You can see this is black strawberry and I want to change this into some other different colors. The first thing that we should do, we should select the black color or the area that we want to change that. I select in this situation that we want to select this black color. The best way, not the best way, these are ways we can compare them. I'm using select color range and sample one color, hold shift and sample another color to have a completed selection area. You can see this is the selection area. I do this before to saving the time. I put this mask to a group and move this. Let me just put this inside and put this layer out of the group. Let me delete these. I want to effect only the adjustment layer that we are using to change this color on group and effect only to this mask here. The first way that I'm going to show you is solid color, using solid color. I want to have something like this. You can see this is not what we want, this is not what we expected. Now how we can make this? We should change the blending option from normal to overlay or soft light. In this situation I think overlay is much better. Now you can see what we made or how we can change color. This is with solid color. Another way that we can use is using curves. From RGB go to red and make another combination of colors that you want to have. I will put blue, a little bit blue, and achieve something like this. Yes, this is good. This is the second way how we can change the color, black color, into another color. The next way that I'm going to show you is using hue and saturation. Use saturation, just click colorize, and this is much easier than what you think. Boost the saturation to 100. This depends on you. Boost the lightness or decrease that. It's on you how you want to your picture looks. The second way is using color balance. You can add red, add magenta, and add blue to have this magenta looks. This is 4-way up to here. The second way, not the second one, the fifth way would be photo filter. This I will select this color, something like this. You can see this is the difference. This is like now putting this layer into normal blending option. If I click this is simulated like putting this into a screen or overlay blending option. Let me see if we have another way. That would be channel mixer. Play around with these sliders and achieve another color that you want to have. That some color, something like this. Up to here we have 6 different ways that we can achieve, that we can make black colors into another color. Now let's jump to another picture and let me show you how we can change this black color into what, into white color. That is a little bit different, as differences with this one. I'm using quick selection tool and select this very easily, make a group and put the mask on the group and move this layer out of the group. This is very easy. How we can change this into black and white? I will show you one way on this picture, and another picture I will show you another way. We can use, or we can go to channel mixer. Yes, here. In here you can see we have a checkbox here, monochrome, and I'm not sure what they spell or what they say, monochrome or not. You should tick this monochrome and move this mask, layer mask, to this and replace this like this. Now boost the contrast not to more plus 200 to a satisfying like this. You can see how we have black line here because it is not perfectly selected area. There's not selection. Let me just make this with brush and make this not CB CX, changing the color and affecting on this. Yeah, it is because of the low quality of picture we have this line here. Or we can expand this selection area. Go to select, modify, expand by 1 pixel is good. Now we have this. You don't have that black line, but you can see we have white line here. That is because of the low quality of picture. Now you can see we changed the black colors into white color. Let's jump to another picture and show you how we can change this, that is metallic color, into black, not black, to anything else that we want. I show you here to change that into another color, in here to white, and in here I'm going to show you another way to change this into white or black color. That is a little bit different from that way. In here, the first thing that we should do, we should select this area. Yes, I am holding Alt and delete this from selection area because they won't be in selection area. Now again I'm making group and make the group selection area. Move this out of this folder. Okay, what we should do, we should make a black and white adjustment layer. You can see it is completely changed to black and white because I don't want to hold the image change to black and white. I will copy or move the mask from this layer to do it from group to layer. Now you can see I have the mask on this layer. We can play we don't want to play around, we must play around with these and achieve the white color that we want. In this situation I select greens and cyan because this picture was combination of cyans and greens. You can see we made this. If you move these up, you won't change anything because it's changed. It was combination of green and cyans. It is changed to this because this is metallic and this is a metallic white color. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. This would be helpful for you learn more tips and techniques from this video. Subscribe, like, and feel free for asking and give me any question that you have from Photoshop, and ring the bell of my channel. Let me just do this picture with channel mixer also. That would be a little bit different. Channel mixer. choose monochromatic, move the layer mask onto this and boost the contrast. You can see we'll have this crazy white color because it is not affecting on metallic surface like this is a bottle. This is good to using black and white adjustment layer to make this like this. Okay guys, enjoy your life and also subscribe and like my channel. See you soon.